Hello there, welcome to my tutorial on wireless networks. In this tutorial I'll be showing a few tips that can be used to find what the wireless key that you have in history connected to once. So the first thing you need is a tool, which is the WirelessKeyView. This one you can download from the internet. It's a freeware, so you don't have to pay for it. Once you have this tool ready and you have the wireless networks that you have connected to, some of them you might be connected to and some of them might be in the history that you have once connected or never connected to. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to get the wireless keys. Once you have this application downloaded, you just need to open it and it will pull and show all the wireless keys that have actively installed on your computer. That is, if you look at mine, I have a few wireless networks and their passwords here. You have a couple of options. That's first one is to export these selected items. The wireless keys that are displayed here, you can choose to export them. Export, and what you need to do is create wireless keys. It will be saved as a text document. Now close this and go to that document on the desktop, open it, and you can see all the wireless network names and the respective passwords here. In some cases where the network is for Windows, for instance if it's a modem, then the password will be like this. It will be a large key. Since it's a default one, it's a large one. You can either copy that and use it on another device if you want to connect that device to the same network, or you can use this file. For instance, if I was to open if I'm trying to configure another one of my devices to connect to the same network, for instance if I'm connecting to this Wave 2 here, I have my laptop here already connected to this network, which means I have the password here, but it is encrypted. For this one it is encrypted for ustar.com. So what we need to do is we need the export file that we have created first place, and we just copy it into the device, whichever one. If it's a laptop, we just copy it into that device and then we browse for it. We go for import and then we show it the file wireless keys, open it. Now we can see that all the wireless networks are coming here. Now you might say that it was already here, but I can show you again. I'm just going to delete all of those and then import one more time wireless keys. So you can see that all the wireless keys have been restored. Now once these are showing up here, you can either connect it automatically. It will be saved into your wireless networks and you can connect it here. You can either manually go to the properties, security, you can just replace it here, whatever password that you need, or you can remove it and connect it manually again. Anyway, that's the point. This is the case when you already have the wireless key and you need to configure a second device, but you don't know what the password is anymore. So what you do is install the software on the device that is already connected, and then export the software keys like I showed you, and then copy that file, the text document, which is this one that we've created, into the device that we need to configure, and then open the software in this new device that we're trying to configure, then file, import. Once you've imported all the documents, imported the OLI document, all the keys should be installed automatically and you should be able to connect it to the network. That's it. Thank you for watching. This is only my second tutorial, so if I'm not very good, please do excuse. Thank you.